Are you a project manager who has a process in place to manage the full life cycle of a project, but you find that you're still hitting roadblocks? If that is you, or if you've been on our Introduction to Project Management course and are looking to take your practice to the next level, our Next Steps to Project Management workshop is for you. Hi, I'm Rachel, one of the project management trainers at Happy. I'm here to tell you about our Next Steps in Project Management workshop. It's about overcoming common challenges whilst appreciating that your situation is unique and tailoring the delivery to meet your particular perspective. A great process can smooth out so many of the potential problems with project delivery, and yet there will still be challenges that arise. Maybe you're struggling with scope creep, or a project team that's not well aligned, or possibly you need to advocate for your project when speaking to senior leaders. Some tweaks to your process might help, and we will explore those. More often, the challenges that face experienced project managers are about people. You will need leadership and communication skills to untangle the knotty human business of managing a change to completion. Happy's facilitators are experienced in real-world projects across all sectors. They're also experts at creating a collaborative space where you and the others on the course can share challenges and possible solutions. You will be asked about your particular situation and challenges before the course, and instead of delivering something off the shelf, the trainer will tailor the content to the needs of the people in the room. We have a host of practical hands-on exercises to suit whatever challenges you bring. Some possible topics include clarity on goals, objectives, benefits and KPIs, what's the difference and how defining them clearly will make all the difference to you as you deliver your project, advocating for your project when someone with power has an approach that threatens it, being responsive to the need for flexibility whilst keeping costs and time in check, motivation, ways to get buy-in from those you rely on. For more detail, have a look at the full outline on our website. If you're ready for some tailored problem solving around your project management challenges, you can book a place on an open course by clicking Book Now on the course page on our website, or contact our team at happypeople@happy.co.uk to find out about booking a group course or to book a call with a facilitator.